fucking scam. Not perfect. I'm literally just a girl. As you can see, I have back problems because I could not live without my air fryer.
GHD thermal brush is mine.
Because not only is it the cookware that Gordon Ramsay uses, yes, and the celebratory red. Welcome back to the move-in series. I'm a 24-year-old who just bought her first apartment and I'm taking you guys along with me. In this episode, we're getting some furniture, appliances, unboxing a lot of things, and most importantly, moving in. Let's go. Okay, but the really exciting thing is my appliances are coming today. Yes! My fridge, my microwave, my washing machine, and my TV should be here in about 45 minutes. Hopefully. Guys, I look like an elf.
Santa must have called you.
Get in there. Oh my god. Literally in my fridge. Someone to tell me how I managed to get the one internet provider that doesn't install it for you. Like, they sent me the router and they're like, follow the instructions. I'm literally just a girl. And I don't have scissors. I have to use these. Like, I have no idea what to do with this. Oh my god. Okay, so this spot in my closet is only giving me 3 bars. So I want to try somewhere else and see if I can get 4. Okay, so this is technically where my TV is gonna go. I'm gonna get like a shelf, but obviously I don't have one yet, so it's just on this chair. Let's see, hopefully it's more than 3 bars. Oh, it flicked to 4 bars and it's at 3. Maybe if I stand away from it. Okay, it's still at 3. Connected to it now, and it's pretty fast. Hi. I got a little bit sidetracked yesterday because the focus was on my TV. And now I have all this fun stuff to unbox, aka a microwave and a toaster. Let's do it. Okay, I actually don't have time. Okay, how does one get this out? Why is it so big? Guys, I am not gonna be able to lift this. I need a boyfriend. Steady. Oh, really thought this was gonna be a small one. Where's the front? Oh, the front's facing down. I gotta get it in there. Wait, that's not gonna fit. Oh no, guys. Guys, I thought it went that way.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
If I had crunched that would have been my last straw. Well, let's open this one then, hey? Hopefully this has a bit more success. Yes. We've got one win of the day. This black wall is kind of good for content, low key. I feel like we're gonna have to do like 4 trips to the car. And guys, this isn't even my clothes and like my bathroom stuff and like cleaning stuff. I kind of wish I could just pay someone to do this whole part for me. I just want to decorate. Okay guys, it's a big day today. We're moving so much of my stuff. And watch the bar. Cooperative assembly. Their incompetence by saying, Step 1, install the column. That'll be this.
Where?
Doesn't it say you need to look at the spring alignment? Because that's pretty bad alignment.
And we'll control it. Demons.
Oh, you're okay. You think that's the fucking tabletop? We killed that. That's a lot of wind. Okay, this is the moment of truth because I put a bunch of glassware in here. Let's see if it broke. Ooh. I think we're good. Okay, now it's gonna unbox some PR. Psych, I literally bought this all. Except, shout out to Hexclad. Because not only is it the cookware that Gordon Ramsay uses, but they respect the little guy. Yeah, I cook a steak. Guys, remember, this is my essentials video. Like, I'm not gonna be unboxing things and you're gonna be like, wow, I want that for my apartment. But you might be like, that's practical and I respect that. You can like feel how good that non-stick is gonna be. incredible. Guys, like, look at that quality. I'm so excited to use them. If you guys need pots or pans, Hexclad. I got an air purifier. I had one when I lived in Canada, and honestly, I don't know if it helped, but it feels like it helps. I can set it up tomorrow. I feel like these are my martini glasses. Yeah, they didn't smash, and they're so cute. Cheers. Perfect. Perfect. Not perfect. Oh, I cannot wait to have a celebration margarita. This is the one I've been waiting for. For years I've wanted this. I'm done with spending so much money on coffee. That grunt was a lot. My new coffee machine. I want to use this right now. Have no clue how I use any of these. I want to take a barista course. You go like this. Tamp. Yeah, I've watched a few videos. This is so exciting. My bed is coming in like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna pause this. Wow, you don't need to go to the gym today.
Oh, every day. And I still looking fat as fuck. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? That's a good
Have a good day. Appreciate it.
Wow.
Okay, but literally the biggest shout out goes to Koala because look at this. I've always wanted a Koala mattress because as we can see, I have back problems. And I got a bed base and like, there's so many added things. I cannot wait to unbox this. But I'm so knackered. It's been a day. So what I'm gonna do is just unbox the mattress and let it rise. And then we'll make the bed tomorrow. Now, they make it look very easy on their website to unbox everything. So I'm feeling confident. That was good form. This, again, the box thing. Oh. Not happening. Remove the mattress from the box. Tear open the heat seal and begin to unroll the mattress. A little koala. Go. That was a lot. I'm glad you joined me. And tomorrow we will reconvene. Good morning. I don't even know what day it is of moving, but I'm tired. Currently no one's home. So I'm gonna quickly rifle through things and take appliances and stuff that I feel like only I use. And ethically, I feel like that's okay. I know I'm the only one that uses the blender. It needs a bit of a wash. I obviously didn't wash it last time.
GHD thermal brush is mine.
Guys, I'm trying to take the new face. Honestly, I haven't seen her use it in a few months. And there was a point in time where I said it wasn't good for my skin, but like I'm getting stressed and puffy and like saggy now, so I need it. And honestly, if you know my mom, she looks better than me. All right, so we made the bed. I'm just gonna let it air out for a bit before I put sheets on because it smells brand new. But we've got more unboxing to do. This is the state of my place. Okay, yeah, it's a bit of a mess. But on the theme of beds, I'm so excited about this. You know when you go to a hotel and the pillows are incredible? Yeah, I got hotel pillows. The Hilton ones. Wow. Oh, that is nice. Like, I got 2. And then I got a sheet set. Now I got 300 thread count, like lower thread count, because I get really hot. And I read that the higher the thread count, the more it holds on to that heat. Fun fact. Next. This is my dinnerware. I just wanted something minimal and clean. That's like my entire thing in this place. They're like a gray ceramic. They're beautiful. And it came with 4. Let's zoom you in. They're so nice. Okay, and then I saw these in Maya one day and they were like mega on sale. So I was like, why not? Toilet brush, matching soap dispenser, a little dish. I wear retainers, so I put my retainers, maybe like some jewelry, and a toothbrush holder. Oh, you kidding me? I need to show you what I just did. Literally just chipped because I hit this on it. Are you serious? Okay, maybe don't buy these. Maybe they're cheap for a reason. My brother and his wife in literally a week got me these for Christmas. They're like the coolest coasters. Nice. Feels like a good knife block. Very nice. Complete. I could not live without my air fryer. You'll see that literally all of my appliances are Ninja. I feel like they just create great stuff. My blender, my air fryer, my Ninja Creamy if I ever get one. I want one so bad. Beautiful. I only got like the 4.7 liter one because I don't need bigger. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And I got these matching mugs to my plates. Actually, speaking of, I have not seen my cups. Alright guys, officially move-in day. Guess what's in all those? Clothes. Crazy, crazy. My couch is delayed, so I got this. I'm not gonna bother getting it out yet because the beanbag fill hasn't come, but it's like a 2-seater beanbag. Cause like I just really wanted a beanbag as well. I'm beanbag obsessed. So we're gonna fill that up now. But it's coming together. Oh wow, you're being very brave. I did not know about that. Oh no, Mom.
Expanding.
Oh, that was your fault. What? Is it just a square? They fully sold it like it was a couch. I'm getting scammed.
This is the back.
That's the back. There. Oh, okay, so it's like that. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, that's a good size. Let me practice, just hold that. Oh. Yeah, it's a little bit low for the TV, but I guess it'll work for now.
Are we done?
This is all clothes that I have to get in my wardrobe. Oh god. Guys, we did it. Look at these vibes. My mom is literally Superwoman, but now I'm having this hair in my sushi. Awesome, I can see it. It's my dog's hair. Now I'm having sushi and a celebratory red. Good night. Alright guys, we are 1 week into apartment living. I still don't have a couch. We've gotten some things. Got a piece of my couch, my desk, and my bedside table. So let's unbox them. This box is large and intimidating. I'm so excited to get my couch. This is a beautiful couch. This is from RJ Living. This is only one piece as well, guys. Oh wow. Guys, that is comfier than I thought. Epic. So where the beanbag is where the long section of the couch is going to be. This is going on the side. That's easier to move than I thought. I am pretty chuffed. Okay, next we have my bedside table, which is also from RJ Living. And this is like a floating one for next to my bed. God, it's heavy. Guys, it's a pressy one. That's so exciting. Now, lucky last is my desk, which I feel most of you are gonna hate.